You gotta wake her up. You gotta give her tickles to wake her up.
Ow. Jeez. I'm gonna sleep. Good night. Ow.
Danny, be nice. Give her tickles. Don't give her owies. Is he like sticking his fingers in your eyes? Give her tickles. That'll wake her up.
Okay, I gotta sleep. Ow. Jeez.
Do nice to Jessie.
I'm gonna sleep. Good night, Danny.
Jessie, look at sheep. Jessie, look at sheep.
Oh my God, you can see the vein in his neck.
He's mad. Okay, I go to sleep now. Good night.
Here, give her tickles and she'll wake up.
Ow. That was... Oh my God, did you see he ripped my hair out of my head? Do you see it in his hand? Oh my God, Daddy ripped my hair out of my head.
Danny, can you say sorry and give Jessie a kiss? You give her owies. Can you give Jessie a kiss and say sorry?
Can I have a kiss?
No,
I'm going to sleep then. Good night.
no.
Yes, yes.